Google Classroom, creating your classroom. In this video, you'll learn how to create your classroom, about organization, and about personalization. Now that you know what Google Classroom is and you have an understanding of what all's involved in the assignment from the scoring checklist, we're going to jump right in and create your first classroom. The first thing you will need to do is go to classroom.google.com and it will take you to the landing page for Google Classroom. Make sure that you use your professional Gmail address for this. Tech does not have the functionality in our Tech Gmails to create a Google Classroom. These are used in K-12 settings for the most part, so Tech does not turn that on. When you go to classroom.google.com, you'll see a plus sign at the top right. Click that. You can join a class with a class code, or you can create a class, which is what we're going to do. Hit create a class, and then you get this warning that pops up. And it tells you that you are not logged into a school Gmail account that has access and privileges for Google Classroom. So you have to agree that you will not be using this with actual students. Click continue, and you have the option to create your class. Title your class name after yourself. That way you can change your content or your grade level if you want. It also makes it easier for me to find you. And hit create. You can go back and edit those things like section, subject, and room later if you'd like to. Now you have your Google Classroom right here. We have created a class. Now we're going to look at organization, and we are also going to look at how to personalize your Google Classroom. Okay, so this is your front page of your classroom, and it's set up very similar. You'll see as once you start getting things added in here, it's got a stream on the front page, and it's kind of like social media. You post on it, and your post keeps going down as you add new content to it. So first, I want to talk to you about organization. Inside, you've got these tabs up here: stream, classwork, people, and grades. Inside classwork, you are able to create topics. You can do this right inside the assignment as you create it. But I want to point this out in here. You can go right down here and hit topic. My example's on Emily Dickinson, so I'll just play off of that. My topic will be poetry. So that means you'll see that a bar pops up right here that has my topic. That means any resource or assignment that I post and I tag with that topic will show up right below it. So it makes it very easy for your students to find what they need inside of your Google Classroom. Once you start thinking about the fact that you're going to be using this for a whole year, that's a ton of different units, and the more organization you have from the beginning, the better. So make sure that everything you post for this assignment, if there's a topic option with your exit ticket, with your assignment, and also with your materials, your resources, make sure those are all organized under the same topic. And another thing I wanted to bring to your attention is a little bit of personalization here. You get a default picture back here. If you put in science, it'll usually pop up some kind of science thing. I want you to go in and change the theme. Find a different picture. You're welcome to upload your own picture if you would like, or they have some set ones in here. So you will pick a different theme and customize it so that it is your classroom. My internet's running super slow tonight. Sorry, y'all. Let's see. And as you can see, they have it by different content areas to make it much easier for you to find what you need. And mine is poetry. So let's go with that one. and it will upload it and customize it and put my image in there.